Hi viewers, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, depending on where you're watching from. I welcome you all to my channel, to my wonderful subscribers. I thank you all for staying active to my channel. For those of you who watch without subscribing, subscription is free. Please subscribe to this channel to get you notified when I post interesting video. And also TikTok will be pushing my video to people who are also interested in this type of video. Please subscribe to my channel. Subscription is free. Please, I beg you guys, subscribe to my channel. So guys, if you're wondering what I applied on this hair, so guys, we'll be making fennel and flaxseed. So this is what I actually applied on this hair. So if you haven't know the length of my daughter's hair when it's not already plaited like this, you could go watch my daughter's go and watch other of my video to find out how the length of this hair is, because when it's braided like this, is tiny and it look as if it's not like it's not really lengthy. So you go watch other the video. So if you're not really convinced that what I am doing, so you go watch the other of the video. So guys, so this is my flaxseed. So the black things that is inside is I think it's black seed. Black seed is mixed there, so I don't have time to select it out. So let it be there, guys. So since black seed is also, so the main purpose of this the main thing, the ingredients in this video is flaxseed and fennel. So guys, my daughter will be having a lot of hair treatment back to back since she just played this hair. So I won't be losing the hair in a hurry because the hair is so tiny. So guys, I'll be giving this hair treatments. So like throughout this week, I've been just be giving this hair. I wonder how this hair is going to be. How this hair is going to be when I lose it, because that will be a huge difference. There is going to be a lot of huge difference. So guys, you know that I will always pound my ingredients, and you already know the reason why I'm pounding it, so that I will always get the nutrients extracted, so that you understand what I mean, so that everything in these seeds is going to be extracted rather than just soaking it like that. So I won't just get everything, so I just prefer pounding it this way. So guys, please do not skip this video, so that you won't just, so that you always, as in, you get what I did in this video. My children are disturbing. I'm so sorry, guys. So you get exactly what I did in this video. You won't be mixing out. Please guys, do not skip this video, please. So guys, after this, I am going to pour in a little water in it. You see, so I'm just taking a small portion of, a small quantity of water, since it's just her hair. So I'm not just going to be making plenty, because I can always make another one if I want. But for now, I'm just making a small portion just for her hair. So guys, can't you see? Immediately I just pour in the water, the color of the water changed because of the way I pounded it. Can't you see that the nutrient is out? So this is better than just soaking it in the water without pounding it, because you won't just get everything extracted. So this is really the best. You can see the color of this water has changed. So guys, after this, I'm going to leave it for about 3 hours before I strain it. So I'm going to be straining it. So I just added a little cloth, so that there won't be particles in the in the in the hairspray. So you can see the way I do it, because if I didn't add that cloth, so there is going to be a little particles. So that will be, so it's going to be the, as in as in, how am I going to put it? So I don't want anything to be sticking on her hair. That is the reason why I put this. So if you still need, if you have a hanky, you want to use your hanky direct, you can go ahead and do it. A lot of people wonder what this Fennel does to the hair. Guys, Fennel will stimulate your hair growth by reducing inflammation and deliver essential vitamins and minerals. Fennel will it is going to minimize your hair loss and also fight dandruff and combat hair breakage. So why flaxseed works by promoting the hair growth, I mean your hair growth, and fighting fix and defining oils. It is highly priced for its rich nutrients profile. So these two ingredients are more or less the same thing, but combining the two of them is going to be really doing a great work. So guys, can't you see this is so milky? So the thing I forget to explain, why extracting your herbs, please, on that final stage, you have to use your hand to squeeze it to extract, because this is so gummy and this is where all the nutrients is packed. It is not only when you strain it. So the chaff, the main thing are still in there. So you are going to be using your hand to squeeze it out, just like you see me just do in this video. That I was supposed to explain that, but I was supposed to explain it when I was squeezing it so that you understand, but you still understand what I mean. So you are going to be using your hand to squeeze the remaining chaff. This just squeeze it so that the nutrients, all the nutrients will come out, so that you'll be able to get exactly what you need in these herbs. Hope you understand what I mean by that. So guys, this is the way I'll be applying it. So let me quickly explain before I forget. So after this, yeah, after applying this, so you make sure you leave it to sit about 3 to 4 hours. If you 3 hours is okay, 2 hours is okay, but I'm going to be leaving this to sit, since you don't really have anything doing. So I'm going to be leaving it for 4 hours. You understand? So it is not compulsory you leave for 4 hours. 2 hours is okay, 1 hour is okay. So after that, you are going to be washing it off. Hope guys you understand what I mean by that. So guys, if you know you haven't subscribed to my channel, please, I beg you all, please subscribe to my channel. Please guys, I beg you all, subscribe. For those of you who watch my video without subscribing, please subscribe to my channel so that it will always get you notified whenever I post interesting video. And also, it will be pushing my YouTube will pushing my video to people that is interested in this type of recipe, hair recipe. So guys, tomorrow I'm going to be posting another interesting video if possible. So guys, this was the end of this video. This is the end of this video. So guys, please subscribe to my channel. I love you all. See you all on my next video. Bye bye.